In this movie, I'll show you the final step in diagnosing the reason for the no calls found error message. In the previous two videos, I've shown you how to check to make sure that conflicting filter criteria weren't blocking out all the call data, and how to check to see if you actually have call data to report on. Assuming the PC hosting the COM server is running but no call data is coming through, the only remaining option is to check the connections between the computer and the switch, also known as the PBX, and make a test call. There are two possible methods of connecting the switch to the computer. Firstly, using a direct serial cable link, and secondly, via the network. If your system uses the former means of connection, you need to check that the serial connectors are properly seated and the network cable is firmly plugged in. This photograph shows you what the connector and cable combination looks like. If the network is being used to transport the SMDR or call data, then you need to check the cables are connected and the LEDs by the LAN port are on, showing steady amber indicating you're connected, and flashing green showing the presence of network traffic. If you're having network connectivity issues, then you'll have to consult your network administrator for further assistance. Assuming all the connections are present and correct, the last step is to make a test call to double-check the call data collection by COM server. Click Quick Launch. Oh, by the way, you won't see this step on the video because of limitations of the screen capture software. Click the Service Manager icon. And check to see if the two main call services are running, indicated by green ticks, and assuming all is well, open the COM server and see if any SMDR is passing through. Make a test call to 123, which is BT speaking clock. Then hang up after a few seconds. You should see the SMDR components of the call coming through after a few moments, depending on the PBX that your company is using. There are one or two which won't output the call data from the switch until another call is made on the same line, but fortunately this is a fairly rare scenario. Assuming you can see the SMDR passing through the COM server, then all should be well. If you've followed all the steps we've shown you and you still haven't got any SMDR or call data coming through, then I'm afraid the problem lies with your PBX and you'll have to contact your switch maintainer, as there is nothing further Oak can do to help resolve this issue.